Me and Jens just arrived at Pretty Boy Reservoir. We're gonna go down and fish Gunpowder at the bottom of the falls here on the other side. We're gonna start going down the steps. Jens is over here getting rigged up and ready to go. We're expecting a lot of rain. It's just drizzling a little bit right now, very lightly. It's supposed to pick up, so we don't really know how the fishing's gonna be. We're about to find out. Jens is making his way down now. Slick. Real slick. Whoa. Oh, got one. Got one. First fish of the day here. Oh, yes. Oh, pretty brown. Jens get one. He's got his net up. You get one? Okay, Jens just caught his first brown. First fish of the day. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. You're coming to me. You're coming to me. And this is my first fish of the day. A little brown. So I just crossed from over there. I'm gonna try and fish this opposite side here that hopefully not a lot of people fish. There's one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Got him. All right, it's the second brown of the day. This one's a little bigger than the first one. I had a lot of strikes right here, and I lost a couple. I finally got one. There we go, bud. Let me release you. It's a nice look at him. Just let him go. Oh, I just missed one. There he is. There he is. There's another nice brown. Dude, I'm killing them over here. There are tons of them. You got one? Get him. Nice. Nice job, man. There's one. Just like I said, it looked really good over here. This is a better one. Maybe it's just the current, I can't tell. Get up here, buddy! In the net! Double up! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. We're killing these brownies today. Oh, another one. Another one. I think we got a decent one here, guys. Yeah, another pretty one here. Get him in the net. There we go. All right, well, we were just fishing down here. We're gonna climb all the way up and try and get over there. And hopefully not die in the process. This is a sketchy proposition here. Those rocks down there look too slick, so we're going up and around. Hopefully find a way down this far side. That's not very slick. I don't know which way is the best way, but looks like this is it. So we're doing it. Ooh. All right, it's time to go down on the butt. Woo-hoo. Oh, another one. Another one. Another pretty brown. I think it's number 6 or 7 of the day. There we go. Jason, they're coming around. There we go. That was way out there. The very end of my cast. And the brownie. Double up! Let's go, baby! Right there. There he is. Little guy. Oh, there's another one. Another good one. There's a good one. Oh! A real pretty one there. Brown. And Jason here at the dam wearing them out. We ain't getting back out. This is attempt number 2. It's not going so well. Hey Jens, try and step on the grass patches right in front of you, at your feet. Can't reach there, you know.
Right there.
Oh, right here?
Right in front of you. Yeah.
There you go. Almost, almost.
See if Jason makes it. We made it!
Halfway. At least the sketchy part's over. This isn't too bad, at least for us. Yeah. All right, let's reach the summit. My turn. Rod's going up. All right, back down the other side. So we just finished fishing the dam here. We did pretty good. We've caught probably 20 browns. All of them pretty small, but they're all natural here. So let's go downstream and see if we can get some more.
Oh, there's one. Little guy here. Here's a little guy. Oh, there he is. Got him. I knew there was one laying there. Here you go, there he is. There.
Oh, I almost doubled up with you. There's a heron right in front of me. Get ready when birds attack. There we go. There's a little brown. Finally got one after we left the dam. Jens has been killing them since we left the dam. He's probably caught, I don't know, 5 or 6, and this is my first one. Hold on, bud, I got you. Oh, what a blow up, dude! Oh, he came off! Did you see that? There's one.
Yep. Come here, guys.
Right up against that bank.
There he is.
Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Okay. Okay, there's another brown. We've caught probably about 30 or 40 fish today.
Came back to the dam on the way out. See if we can yank a few more before we leave. There's one. First cast. First cast. In the net you go, sir. Another one.
This is a real little one. Oh.
That's my stick.
We killed it today, caught maybe 40, close to 50 fish, something like that.
Yeah, close to it.
Let's show you the lures that work for us.
These are the lures that work for me.
This is a brown trout, small rooster tail. I scraped off the little glow sticker on the blade because I don't like that thing. And then this is another one with a silver blade and chartreuse. I caught some on a black one, but I lost it in a tree, so I can't really show you that one. Jens?
Yep, also used this brown rooster tail. I caught about half of them on that. And I was using a little black one, caught about half of them on that. So those are the two colors that worked for me today. All I could get to work was the rooster tails. So
So we're closing this one out. We'll see you in the next one.